Oh, we're recording. See how it locked onto your eye as well when you record? Is it onto your eye? And then you follow your head, it'll like keep focusing on it. Yeah, look.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Lamborghini TV. Jim and I are at my house just doing some brainstorming sessions here. Jim and I have some...
You noticed this shirt, did you?
So what Jim and I have been doing lately is trying to, better our brand. So last week we ordered some new shirts. I got one on now. So we got a couple shirts for ourselves, a couple shirts for my nephew. Whoa, what? You got some other interesting news?
Why did you get the blue shirt?
The Mercy is going blue.
Alright, the new news.
Well, I don't think we have any more new news.
No,
He seems to be really excited about something. Let's see.
Oh, what? This whole thing?
What are you holding on to there?
Wait a second, and... Oh, we're recording. I'm recording.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm recording, you recording me.
No, that's what I'm doing. I'm recording right now.
Look at this. That's how you vlog right there, bud.
So, if you guys haven't noticed, Jim got a new camera.
I got a new camera. Alright, let's get to the unboxing of my brand new vlogging camera. I mean, I use a Canon G7X Mark II right now, and GoPros. I talked to the Strad man. His name's James. He's a professional vlogger. Is that something we call a professional vlogger? Anyways, he has 3 million subscribers. He's been doing it forever. He's very entertaining. I was chatting with him last week. I asked his opinion on the Sony. He said he shot 1 vlog with it. And this guy knows he gets, what, upwards of 1 million views per video. So he put me on to the EOS 90D as well as the EOS R. So let's get into this guy. And there's my dog. Getting annoyed because I'm not paying attention to him. I got the manual. We got the, what's that? Charger. We got the battery. We have a dog pushing a Kong at me. Cool little strap. All right, what else do we got here? Let's put the camera down. We got the lens. It's really light. It's not really that heavy. And of course, we got the what is your problem? This is Apollo. Apollo, say hi to the vlog. You're a good boy. He's actually my new co-host for the channel. When Frank's not around, it's gonna be Apollo. Okay, go lay down, please. Now for what we've been waiting for, and boom, there she is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna charge this up and finish the rest of this vlog on this camera. You're still dropping that, really? So the batteries come like this. Let's put it in the camera and find out if it actually does come with a charge. Boom. And turning it on. Camera's fully dead.
It's pretty sick. It's got the Rode mic. The sound quality is amazing on this thing. The image quality, 4K. You can do slow motion shots and all that now.
I'm going to be shooting in 4K with this thing. Actually, I'm shooting right now. I'm shooting Frank, so we're going to... Oh, and editing. I'm going to be swapping back and forth. That's going to be cool. But
just like in high school.
Come show them the car. What'd you do to the car?
Okay, we can do that. We can do that.
All right,
come on with us. We took out the hood and the back piece here where the active spoiler was for wrap. Yeah. This weekend we're probably going to take off the rear engine bonnet, the rear bumper and the front bumper, bring them into the basement, get that stuff wrapped up. I want to give a shout out to Uncle Jesse. He gave me this awesome piece that I didn't have.
It is really nice of you, Jesse. This mesh portion's probably like $3,000. I'm just making that number up. I don't really know. All right, get that door open.
All right, so over the next couple of weeks, I want to tell you what we're going to do first. We're going to start wrapping the car. One of the things that I want to be very particular about, we're saving all the scraps so that we can get all the inside parts, so when the door is open, you don't see the yellow. This is one of the best things about owning a Murcielago, is even though it's wintertime, I can turn the garage heater on, come out here, and just sit for hours.
Yeah, get in that car and sit, man.
In the world. Oh God, this is good. It smells like angels in here.
So that's, we can't really wrap the car right now because it is too cold. If you could see, we're actually shivering in the garage right now, but whoa, look at that shirt. That is clean. Oh, wait.
No, it's pretty cold out here.
I mean, his shirt's good, mine's better. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, one more thing. It's been about 26 hours since my COVID shot in my left arm. Frank's gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna show you right now where the spot is. Right there is where I got the shot. I don't know if you, nothing there? Nothing there. I don't feel sick either. If I do feel sick, I'll let you know.
Somebody better call the Zoo, because this python escaped.